Hello, creators. So, here is another update that is inside of our membership portal. When I tell you now it has got fire, it has got some fire to it. Okay. So, of course, you can always have your community download the Go Collab app, the not Go Collab, the Collab app on the iPhone store or whatever, and it'll show up there. And they can log in with whatever credential that they log in into your community. But this is the beautiful part of the upgrade. So now inside of our community, Skool ain't got nothing on us. Listen, inside of the community, there is an events tab. Okay. So when you click on the events there, you're able to add the different events that's going to be coming up. Okay. So this is for today. So tomorrow I'm going to add an event. Okay. And now you can also have the event where it is a paid event if you want it to be paid. Well, we're going to title the event and call instant messaging feature release. Okay. And what time it starts. So from what time to what time. Okay. So we're going to do this tomorrow. Let's just say I'm just gonna make up a time because I'm not gonna be on here at 7 o'clock. But let's say from 5 o'clock. Let me find 5 o'clock right there. Okay, so 5 o'clock to 5:30, just 30 minutes, and it's in Central Standard Time. Will this event be recurring? Yes. If it's recurring, do it happen every day? Does it, however much it does, you're able to do that. The location, okay, I'm just gonna say others, okay. The link location or the address. So if it's a Zoom link, you put your Zoom link there. If it's a Google Meet, you're gonna put your Google Meet link there. I'm just gonna put others and I'm going to select YouTube. Okay. Or I can put like if I had a live that was scheduled for YouTube, I will put the link here so they'll know where to go. So for example, I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm going to go to my YouTube page where it says view my channel. I'm going to go over here to okay, there we go. To my YouTube channel. I'm gonna take my link and I'm gonna come back over here to my community. And once I come back over to the community, I'm gonna enter it in there and I'm gonna say learn our amazing features our new amazing new features for whatever it is. Okay. So how to new feature. It says high location from non-attendees. So if they're not attending, they're not gonna see where it is. Okay. Here it gives you the size, so you can do 800 by 400 megapixels. So basically, we can just come over to Canva and it gives you the size. So I'm just gonna use this and I'm just gonna resize it and I'm just gonna change out whatever it says. So the fields that it gave us over here was 800 by 400. So I just come over here, custom size, 800 by 400. Okay. So, because I have like a branded thing that I do, and this is kind of like the branded colors that we use, and I'm just gonna say copy and resize it, and it's just gonna copy and resize it. I'm gonna open, and only thing I'm gonna put on here is I'm just call it release radar for community. Okay, so I know when I'm looking for it in Canva, I'm like, oh, I know it's my release radar. Okay. And then I'm just going to say creative. I'm just going to change this up a little bit. Same thing, because I've already had it. Ain't no need to reinvent the wheel, right? So we already have this like so. And creative, I'm just going to change it to RELEASE. Creative release. Okay. Bye. Here we go. Bye. It's creative releases. Lady hell. So right here, let me just creative releases. Then right here. Only thing I'm going to do is just change up where I put my thing. Because once you have something that's branded, obviously you can you can do that how you want. And this one says, okay, come learn about the latest release at the in the CRM. We'll just say in the CRM. Okay. And then we're just going to make this probably a little bigger, just like so. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. And in there, if I wanted to do like a grunge background, grunge, okay, this is grunge texture. And then I'll just put that just like so. Turn it white so I can actually see it. Or, yeah, that's cute. I like that. Or I should turn it the color of my shirt. Okay. And then we're just going to position this and we're going to send this back. Okay. Just like so. I'm going to make this the color of my shirt. So I'm going to get here and I'm going to I'm going to get the color picker, kind of just like you would like in a Photoshop or something. And then only thing I'm going to do, I should do the orange, but I'm just going to, bring it down. So it's real subtle. So you can see it, right? So yeah, now it looks a little different than some of the other stuff I did, but we just played around. As you see, only thing I did was played around with it. And then if I wanted to be extra, just put a flare, a light flare. And so I can do that as well, but we don't want to look like a funeral home either. And so we're just going to bring that down just like so. Then I'm going to say copy just like so. Okay. And bam, we got something that looks a little different. Okay. And then I'm just going to bring this transparency down. So like so. And then I probably need to put it behind the back because some of my designer friends are like, why you keep that right there? Oh, well. So here we go. Got this download, got a PNG. So just make something that you can, reuse, reuse, right? So I'm going to download this, okay, for my event title because we want to make sure that in all things we continue to stay on brand. Okay, that's really important. Um, like I said, as y'all see, I'm not the best designer, but we can make something happen. All right. So who can attend? Members of the private channel, members of a course. So if you have a certain course and only those members can attend, if they're in the Creative Space Visual Help Center, then then they can attend this, and you can do you can do that as well. So if I want to say, okay, they're in the Creative Visual Help Center, because I might not want the general members to have that. Okay. So from there, I'm just going to press next. It's a free event. If it was paid for, paid event. And then create event. And now our event has been created. And there you go. And you can put it in your Google Link, Apple, Yahoo, Outlook. So if I go to Google, add to my Google, has the location, etc. And it's going to give the time. All right.